my thing opens.
Oh, that's...
What are you doing?
Sorry. I don't know what the hell it is. What is it?
You're making this very hard on the videographer.
Who's the rapper? I promised it to Hillary. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Oh. You have to open it.
Did you hear something?
It's a fucking clock you were doing. I can't open it, Bill.
I'm getting scissors.
No, we just need a knife.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what this could be. What the hell could it be? Open it. There's nothing I want.
I can't breathe.
Let's see.
Oh, God.
It's getting more intense.
I don't know what you could possibly avoid. What? Can you open it?
Trying.
You know, Dan always said he wanted a cuckoo clock. I said, no way. It's bad enough when I have to hear ding, ding.
I hear something.
Why me?
You hear it?
Abuse! That was abuse on your only son.
Open it up.
That'll be nice up in your room.
No. Sarah, you need a clock right here.
Oh, no. I'll drive
You're gonna
son
open
insane.
It's gonna be a box in a box. What?
Remember when you used to wrap like a lollipop in a big box like these?
What the hell is this?
This.
User manual. What is it? A vacuum?
Yes. You need to do more housework.
I have to get my glasses.
Ah, welcome to my world. It's some kind of mechanical thing. Never mind. Is that an exercise machine?
Yes. It's an elliptical thing for your knees that you just do while sitting down. But I gotta plug it in and show you how to work it and all that. But just try your feet on it.
Well, that ain't bad because I quit the gym.
Right.
Yeah.
That's
Well,
what
you
he
don't
was
go anywhere.
thinking.
Oh, Jesus.
That this
No,
might
it'll
help.
be easier. We'll set it on whatever's good for you.
Well, what made you think of this?
Because your knees.
Yeah.
But it'll go all the way around.
And how did it chirp all the time?
I don't know. That was strange.
Now this will work. because I was paying the gym and I wasn't going. I quit. I told them I was moving, and they wanted to